everyone, this is Hannah with Aluminess Products, and today I'm going to walk you through a Nissan NV roof rack install. Today we will be installing our double loop style with slats on this van. The benefit of choosing slats is that there are multiple tie down points on the flooring, so that way you can tie down your cargo securely to the flooring. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at 619-449-9930 or reach out to us via email at info@aluminess.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and I hope that this video helps you out with your install. The first thing you will do is slide the low profile weld nut under the factory mounting point on the roof. A pro tip is to use a rag to hold the weld nut in place. This will make it easier to install a bolt through our roof rack feet into the factory mounting point. Next, you will install the included roof rack feet to the factory mounting points using the 5/16 hardware provided. You will take one 5/16 hex bolt with a lock washer, following a flat washer, and place it through the included mounting foot into the factory mounting point. You will do this twice on each mounting foot. Tighten down all of the bolts on the roof rack mounting feet. Repeat this process on every mounting foot. You will then lower the roof rack. Make sure the mounting pads on the roof rack line up with the mounting feet on the van. Install the roof rack feet into each of the rack mounting pads using the 1/4-inch hardware provided. Remember to place anti-seize on the bolts before you install them. Repeat this process on every mounting foot. You have successfully completed your install. Please remember to check your hardware after 100 miles of driving.